replacing your liftgate hatch supports. This is my 1995 Pathfinder. Over this last summer, I was able to kind of go up and down to warm it up, and it usually stayed in place, but now that it is December and it's cold, they don't hold, they just kind of go up and down easily. And if I'm not careful, I can kind of hit my head as I'm getting all my equipment out for windfoiling or windsurfing. And my friend Frank reminded me that they're only 20 bucks. And I was thinking, oh yeah, last time I got it was like 60 bucks. And then I looked at the local stores and they're $70. Like, well, I have to pay for lease and everything like that and electricity. But I looked online and sure enough, these are just 20 bucks. Like, okay, yeah, definitely do it for that. You know, it's like, you know, it's all about cost to reward. I can kind of make do without it, but now this is just ridiculous. And it's bugging me. So first thing to make sure the order line ones, to confirm that these are 24 inches long, 24 inches long. Boom, stand, I've used that a few times. I'm going to remove the bottom bolt first. So as it is loose, it'll hang rather than fall on me. And I didn't need any PV blaster or oil penetrator. I didn't need any for this. So that's good. And kind of support it as I remove. As I was removing this, it kind of popped out and twisted a little bit. And just a reminder, have the support on the one you're doing and have it really pushed up tight, because my boom was on the other side of the liftgate and it wasn't really hardcore tight, and I believe this next one will work a lot better. Take off the top now. So it's coming off easy also. There we go. And now that the boom is tight and really pressing off the hatch, my hope is that this won't push down now. It'll just kind of come out nice and easy. Right now it's raining. It wasn't raining when I started, but it's pretty cold and raining. I really like this hatch gate for water sports, because if it's raining, you have something to keep you out of the rain as you put your gear in the vehicle. Twisting a little bit downward. Let's see if it's smooth out or... Awesome, much better. So definitely have it pushed up tight, and then it'll be much easier to take off. Install the new one. Doesn't need to be too tight, just torque down. Good, good, good. Good. Nice. And it seems like it's a little bit twisted. So I'm going to make sure it's being pressed apart as much as possible. Or at least a little bit more. There we go. Let's see how that looks. So we can get lined up. Ah, that's better. Yeah, preparing and having it lined up is definitely the way to go for these liftgate supports. Nice. Now with this supported, I can go ahead and at least do the top one here. Fingers on both sides and shimming it seems to work really nicely. Let's see how much up or down I have to do for the support. Yeah, that's going to put a lot of torque. So if I bring this over here, a boom, whatever, a stick, whatever you want to use, make sure it doesn't slip. Focused on where I place this so it doesn't fall. A little higher. Okay, that looks about right. Torque down. Okay, ooh, excited to see. Okay. It's so nice. I was curious that one. Oh, that's nice. Yep, and it stops there, and it seems like it's keep on creeping up and up and up. Nice and slow. And yeah, it's still going up. Always used to kind of getting it to push it up the last little bit. Have to work on it, so I'm gonna see if I can still go slowly. Let's see. That's about it. Just a tiny bit at the last little bit, but if I waited, it'd probably go all the way up. It's a big improvement. So yeah, if you're looking for a $20 repair and your liftgate isn't holding up, yeah, these are great. Woo. Yeah, that'll be very nice for my sessions. Anyway, like, subscribe, share, and let me know what you think. And have a great day. Okay.